Hi everybody, this is Holly here, and I just wanted to show you a great tool called Pinterest.com, and I think it would be something that would be really interesting for you to use as an online pin board to organize and share things that you love, just to create your concepts for your projects and actually just have fun with. If you don't already have an account, you can click on the Join Pinterest button right here. It's a free service, so you don't have to pay for it or anything like that, and no credit card is required. If you already have a login, that's awesome, and you can just simply log in with your username and password and get started. I think it's a great way for you to just gather up some initial concepts and things like that, and to be able to start gathering your ideas for your projects. So I'm just going to log in here and give you a little bit of a tour. You can log in with your Facebook account or Twitter account if you have one, or simply when you create your username and password, you can simply put that in. I have mine already pre-selected here. And I'm just going to log in. You can choose to remember the password or not. And basically what you do is you create different categories of different things. You can create a new board. And I'm going to create a board, just I'm calling it black and white. And I can select a different kind of category. I can select from artworks, design, all kinds of different things. You can scroll through anything that might interest you, women's fashion, and so on and so forth. I'm just going to go into art here, and I'm going to create a board. I can add other pinners, or I can create anything that I want. Once I have that board already created, I can then start to look for things that might fit into that category. If I simply put in the search bar up here, black and white, we'll see what comes up. And you can see that there's multiple images here that you can use for inspirational purposes, for a concept board. I really like this picture, so if I like that picture, I can click on it. It gives me an enlarged version of it, and I can repin it to my board, or I can simply like it. I'm going to click on the repin button here, and I'm going to add that to my black and white collection, and I'm just going to simply say pin it. And it gives you, also prompts you for other ideas or for other people that might have repinned the same kind of image, so that you can share and kind of communicate with other like-minded people. It gives you people to follow. I think it's really a great idea for you to follow classmates. You can follow me, certainly, and you can also follow anybody that has any kind of similar combinations of the black and white boards. And if I want to go back through and look at my pins, I'm going to go back here and look through other things here. I can click on this image if I like it, repin it to my boards, and I can follow this person also if I'd like to. You can add comments. Nope, a little problem here. Here we go. I'm going to pin that to my black and white board. you can certainly go through your files here and say you wanted to click on any kind of image here. I have a screenshot that I'm just going to use for an example, and I'm going to go through and figure out maybe I want to put it in a different category or so on. I'm going to use that for concepts in color, and I'm going to pin that to my board. I need to add a description in here. And here we go. So all I have to do now is to repin that board. I can edit it in any way. I can provide a link to it and so on, or I can delete it. It's very, very easy to manage. And again, I can keep going through here, add pins to different things, finding images from websites or any place that I wish to look for things. So it's a great way to organize your ideas, and these things can certainly be used in your concept boards for this class or for anything else, and it's just a great way to have some fun. But be careful, it could get addicting. Here's some of my boards just to show you a few things that I've been doing. I have different concepts and different categories going on here. So here's my black and white. There's some woven fabrics. I happen to love crochet this season, so I'm collecting a whole bunch of different kinds of crochet things. And again, these can be images that you upload from your own computer. They can be your images that you want to share with other people, or they can be things that you find on the internet within Pinterest or anywhere on the internet. And in any case, it's just a great way, again, of just sharing things. You can comment on your ideas and things like that, and just be able to communicate and interact.